Hey guys, I'm back. One of my boxes came in. I'm so excited. I've been home for 2 hours and my mom tells me, oh yeah, it's been out there waiting for you. 2 hours. My excitement, 2 hours. I didn't get all of this stuff because it's supposed to come in tomorrow, but in this box, kind of a big box, I got the Simple Slicer, the Microplane Adjustable Grater Course, food holder, veggie strip maker, my new consultant kit tote, baker's roller, which is this one right here, a coated utility knife, my flexible cutting boards, where are we? Silicone prep bowl set. I didn't know what that was, but this is what it is. And one of the things I really like about our packaging is that they all come with instructions. And if I remember correctly, there used to be a recipe. No more recipe, but it tells you all the care instructions in there. And then what else do I have? A chef silicone basting brush, a mini measure all cup, which I love it. I have like 4 of these. A juicer. I don't know where the juicer is, but I'm sure that, oh, the juicer. And then garlic press. I have like 6 of those. I love my garlic press. If you don't have a Pampered Chef garlic press, you need one. Manual food processor, which I already have. Love mine. Probably show you guys a recipe on how to do jaiba or ceviche, and how I shred my chicken in it. I don't use it for salsa. I know that's what it's for, but that's not what I use it for. A smooth edge can opener, which is a totally new design than the one that I have, and I had to watch a couple of videos to figure out how to use it. Yeah. And then the executive non-stick grill press, which is the one that I'm most excited about in making steaks, and a large chef tongs. They're somewhere in here, and this is just one out of the 3 boxes. I signed up with the $250 kit. My son and my daughter's boyfriend, that's what they gifted me for Christmas. They asked me what I wanted, and I said, that's what I want. And I got all of this stuff, plus more that's coming, and I think, if I remember correctly, like the product worth in the kit is like $1,000. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start playing with all of this stuff. See you on